favorite Christmas traditions, and it is never too late to start it. This is our Christmas Eve box, and it's a gift that we give every year on Christmas Eve that they open together, and it's full of everything they're gonna need for a fun night. Inside of our box, we are gonna have snacks, a movie, a book, and pajamas. We always include some sort of treat. A lot of years we'll actually do like a box of ice cream, and we'll wrap the box and keep the ice cream in the freezer. These are the cutest little candy reindeer that my mother-in-law made. We used to always include a DVD, but because those are basically obsolete now, what we do is we find the movie that we wanna watch, print the movie cover, and then laminate it. The hardest part about the Christmas Eve box this year has been keeping this movie from our girls because it keeps popping up on Netflix and they want to watch it, but they have no idea that they're getting it in their Christmas Eve box. We also always include a set of matching pajamas. These are perfect for taking pictures, putting out cookies for Santa, or pictures when they're first running into the living room or opening their stockings. This has been one of my favorite aspects of this box because who doesn't want cute pictures? In recent years, we've actually moved away from Christmas pajamas into red and green pajamas that are going to be more appropriate for the rest of the year. And last but not least, we include a Christmas book. This past year, we've been reading Harry Potter as a family, so we went with Christmas at Hogwarts, which they are going to love. This is a great way to like wind down at the end of the night after you put out cookies for Santa. Absolutely love this tradition. Could not recommend it higher.